Hi, welcome to your Miami Trainers Weekly Update. Join your 4 trainers this Friday, October 2nd at 11 a.m. for Ask the Trainer. Get the inside look into home snap and matrix integration, stats, and the ins and outs of showing time. And what's free from Miami? Join us live at miamirealtors.com calendar. Now for your tip of the week. Boost your farming and using iMapp, the tax delinquency feature. Click the iMapp icon to get started. Change your year billed search fields to taxes are delinquent equals to yes. Under property zip code equals to, input the zip code of your choice, and simply start your search. These results are available to download, create mailing labels, and print. Learn more tips in our upcoming class, Boost Your Farming and Increase Sales Using iMapp, on October 19 at 10 a.m. Thank you for being a Miami member.